Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by combining essential elements: tamarind for tang, jaggery for sweetness, and red chili for heat. Once measured, finely chop onion, garlic, and ginger so they release flavor quickly. That speeds infusion. Make a tamarind paste with 200 milliliters water and strain to remove fibers, because a smooth base prevents grainy chutney. Meanwhile, toast mustard and fenugreek lightly to unlock oils. Grind coarsely. These first actions set texture and backbone. Do them carefully to avoid fixing. Now you cook to unify flavors. Bring the tamarind jaggery mixture to a gentle simmer and let jaggery dissolve fully so sugar integrates rather than crystallizes. That creates body. Add the sautéed onion, garlic, and ginger. They mellow and sweeten during 6 to 8 minutes of gentle cooking. Stir in ground spices and check consistency. If too thick, add splash of water. Taste repeatedly. Adjust balance by small increments because sweetness, salt, and acid interact non-linearly and define the chutney's character. Finish by cooling the chutney slightly so blending yields a glossy texture. You can strain for extra silkiness. Tempering matters. Heat oil, crack mustard seeds, add curry leaf and pour over the chutney to bloom oils and perfume the sauce. Pack into a sterile jar while warm, seal, and refrigerate. This controls microbial growth and keeps flavor. If chutney is too bitter, add a bit more jaggery. If too thin, simmer briefly to reduce. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.